Today we got a video from Body Cam Ninja, and the title of the video is Crackhead Tries to Square Up to Officer, It Backfires.
On June 2nd, 2025, officers were dispatched after a woman with an active warrant caused a disturbance at a gas station after being denied free coffee.
14 or 29, your status.
Free coffee?
Yesterday we talked about. Yesterday we talked about. Guy, the man said I'm stupid to me, and I said I'm hungry, and I come in here all the time, and you feed the other people. You let them come in here, you let them rob you, you don't say nothing. You know what I'm saying? So I said, I come here, and say I can get the damn coffee. He said something really derogatory, like, go make some money. I'm like, what the f you mean go make some money? I'm like, dude, I don't make money, bitch. I've been living here. I don't need nobody to validate that I be here. I've been living here 18, 30 something years. I mean, it's okay, you bitches want me to make it loud and proud, it's cool. But I've been living here, I'm sorry, my tongue's kind of messed up. But I've been living for like 18 some years, 30 some years. Bro, you're not gonna say nothing derogatory to me. Anything I'm not gonna get about. You're not gonna keep messing and telling me, but allow me to see come in the store. That you're not gonna do. So anyway, I talked to him, and yeah, I just told him that. He said, yeah. So we got to clean it up. We got to clean it up. There's some coffee and there's some tea or some shit. There's some tea and smell, you know? It's hot as tea and smell. But gotcha. So yeah, it didn't break my silence. Just yeah. But yeah, no.
Okay, well, do you mind walking back this way for me?
No, I wouldn't mind, but my tongue, baby, is on fire. You ain't got nothing for it. You're not finna, I have a medical problem right now. Understand? I understand that. I have a medical problem.
You can get an ambulance for you.
You can get a lot of shit from me. But the way you're feeling, I don't know what you can really do for me. I want to, do you mind just easing up off me right now? Because I'm really feeling some type of way. You understand? So it's a food station down there, and one thing I'm looking at is food, because it's been doing this for a couple of days. Like you know, things come out of it, and it's hard to, you know what I'm saying? Like I don't it's out. So I wanna soothe it, like try to see if I can soothe it, eat, get something to drink. Like it's really bothering me. I don't have time for do, and that's that. I'm gonna go get some food. That's that. My dad's down the street. That's down the street. I'm not gonna play with it. I'm hungry. I'm tired. I did nothing to nobody. I blew up, and that's what that was. Simple as that. Okay. I've been having that food for a couple of days. Okay. Church down 8th Street. I'm gonna go do it. Okay. Starving, and you're not gonna keep calling and bothering me. You know, it's been a reason. Mr. Sir. Mr. Sir. Don't do. You can't touch me for not breaking the law. You are, brother. You can't touch me. I'm not fucking famous. You can't do that to me. I ain't breaking the law. You not.
Hold a second.
My tongue is in my face. You're nothing. I could have a fucking disease. You're not gonna touch me.
Listen.
You
have a warrant for your arrest. You have to go to jail.
I just said.
See, and that's the real reason why she acting like that. I mean, well, don't get me wrong. She on some rocks or something. She on something, man. But never mind that. She knows that she has warrants, or the chances of her having warrants is highly likely, right? Because of her actions in the past. So her coming in contact with police is not necessarily a good thing. And she knows that deep down. That's why when the officer said, hey, let's just take a walk down here or whatever, she already knew the game. Listen, she been in these streets a long time. She's a seasoned vet. She's a veteran in these streets. Can't get her with the okey doke, man. You're going to probably have to force your way and grab her and, yeah. You know what I'm saying? Get her together, you know?
You can't. The whole nation was there. What war for what? You have a war for taking a donut. You have the officer. You have the jury. You have the Lieutenant Moulin. You can't. No, sir. Go stop that. Stop that. The lady we did that. Oh, you know what another thing was, baby? I was at the fucking doctors. I was at the motherfucking place. I was a psych ward. No,
that's spitting and stuff. Come on,
man. I don't know.
But you have
I don't. I'm telling you, I took care of that. Okay? Now you never mind, don't bite my tongue. I'm suing you. I have it on my tongue. You stand, you see it or you don't. You see it or you don't.
Well,
you see it? You see it or don't?
I don't see it.
Yeah.
Oh, you bit your tongue?
No, it's really bad, boy. Okay? I don't want to bother. Every time I get irritated, my tongue starts bleeding, I start itching. Okay. I don't want to be bothered. I have a medical problem, and I'm going to take care of it.
Okay.
I have to take care of it.
I could get an ambulance for you, but look,
you can't get an ambulance.
You have a warrant. You have to
Sir,
go to
sir,
jail.
sir. Listen, I'm going this way. Don't touch me.
7829
I'm going this way.
status.
You
I'm
have
going
a
this way.
warrant. You have to go to jail.
I'm going this way. Oh, that's six. I'm going.
Listen,
Pull it out.
have a
Just
warrant.
pull it out.
You have
Pull
a-
it out.
You have a
Fuck
warrant.
you want to touch me?
You have a warrant.
This is definitely a black cop. For sure. 100%, man. I'm willing to. Hey, this gotta be a black cop. Because I could just tell by the interaction between both of them. He's not really scared or jumpy or nervous. Like, he's just, whatever. As long as she's walking that way, because that's the way that he initially wants her to go, because that's probably where his cruiser is or whatever the case may be. But even though she got in his face and wanted to fight, he wasn't. He keeping his voice low, contained. He's staying in frame. There's got to be a black cop. Because it got to be.
You have to go to jail.
I'm gonna fuck right.
It's cool, but if she do too much,
Yeah,
he will act.
Westbound, the North Alley, about not on the block of 10th Street.
See, she's doing too much.
North of the West Alley, 900 block of the block. Police, stop! Eastbound 900 block of 9th Street.
Eastbound 900 block.
Tell me my shit. Man, I got the shit. Get off of me. Get off. My brown moves are messing me up here. I'm trying to do all my stuff. Stop. Look, dude.
907 9th Street.
Look.
907 9th Street.
Look. No. You call the ambulance. You got me up, bitch. If I don't know you. Get off of me. Get off of me. My shit, bitch. Get off. I'm moving on myself. Okay, do it. Okay, please do it. Don't hurt me, okay? You promise? You promise don't hurt me.
Oh, I see his skin. Yeah, it's a black cop.
Could you hold my chest up?
907.
I'm like, yeah, I could tell.
My chest up. Hold my chest up. I'm moving back. Hold on. 1 second. I'm not trying to go stupid. What do you want? Hold on, I can't breathe. You see, I'm so fucking telling that's stupid. Fucking stupid boy, I'm tired of this. I'm so tired of you. It's hurt. It hurts. It hurts, dude. It's okay. It's okay. My dad's gonna come back and he'll kill you. The first thing you want to do is take somebody to a fuck. I know. You know I bit you? I didn't bite you hard. I didn't bite down. I didn't bite down because I told you to stop fucking touching me. You kept motherfucking doing it. So I don't go. I didn't bite down. I told you I was okay. You kept fucking harassing. You kept doing it. You psycho, bitch. You ain't get a picture, bitch. You ain't get a picture, bitch. It don't matter. You ain't get no fight.
Hey, listen. You caused aggravated battery to an officer.
The man put me on the date.
He's gonna go to the hospital. He's gonna go with you.
Okay.
Then afterwards, you're gonna come back and you're still gonna be under arrest.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
What's wrong with you?
My song, I have to do smoking some more shit, dude. Yeah, baby, that's my stuff there. How you doing today? I'm not the only technically. How you doing today? So technically, I didn't bite you. Technically, I didn't bite you. Technically, I didn't bite you.
Hi, guys.
You get
some crack today?
Moron, that I'm doing drugs. Moron, you can't just come up with me like that. So you see, guys.
You take regular habits? Yeah, if she wants, she can track it down.
Oh, but so he can't stop me. He can't stop me with nasty person, right? Damn looking ass. You been on there, you should go with the two.
The suspect was charged with battery on an officer, criminal trespass, and possession of drug
Yeah. So, let's see.
an active warrant related to a prior trespassing incident.
Yeah,
Thanks
she
for
had a
watching the video.
warrant. Okay. Oh yeah, this one to the left. This one probably went viral or something because I seen this on Instagram. This FedEx one. Let me see how many views that one got. Because I've seen this one before. You see?
On March 20.
That thing, I've seen this all over Instagram. Oh yeah, 225,000. Yeah. I could tell. Yeah. That went crazy. Yeah, because once you start seeing certain videos on all these other platforms and stuff like that, you know it's a viral hit. You know it's a viral hit. But anyways, yeah, that lady is cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. But the officer, he did a real good job. The only thing I would say is, you know, I'm not just gonna keep walking with the suspect. Like, you know, I get it. As long as you guys are going in the direction that she wants to go or that you want her to go, it's cool. But eventually she does end up getting a little bit ahead and veering off and then taking off running, where that could 100% have been avoided if he would have grabbed her way beforehand. You know, it is what it is. All you're doing is prolonging the inevitable. You're gonna have to go hands on with her at some point. So you might as well just get it done and over with.